Hello, welcome back to my channel, it's Stella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to get more interesting recipes. Today we're gonna make a Korean-style Korean rice. Korean rice originate from India, but they are developed into different forms of cuisine in Korea. I think the ones from India has thick gravy and very sour. However, Korean ones are more blender and spicy. I'll say localized Korean-style Korean rice goes well with a kimchi. So if you're ready, let's get started. Slice 340 grams of potato and dice them up. Also, slice 240 grams of carrot and dice them up. Slice 76 grams of paprika and chop them up. Slice 200 grams of mushroom and dice them up. Slice 215 grams of onion and chop them up. Also, remove the stem of broccoli and divide them into many pieces. Slice the pork into a bite. Put broccoli in a boiling water and let them simmer for 1 minute. Put 1 spoon of oil in a pot in a medium heat. Put a chopped pork inside and stir them for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Put 1 teaspoon of cooking wine and stir them for 30 seconds. Put a carrot and potato and stir them for 1 minute. Put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Stir them for 1 minute. Put a chopped onion, paprika, and mushroom. Stir them for 1 minute. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper again. Stir them for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Put 2½ spoons of ketchup and stir them for 2 minutes. Put 100 grams of curry powder in a bowl. Mix them with a cup of water. The reason why I'm doing this is to prevent making a clog in the curry and rice. Put them into a pot with 2 cups of water. Let them simmer for 4 minutes. Put a broccoli inside. Add half cup of water. Stir them all together and let them simmer for 15 to 20 more minutes. If they're done, place them on a dish with a steamed rice. Don't forget to serve a kimchi on the side. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!